Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Otterbox case you can buy Amazon. The Galaxy S22 Ultra Otterbox case is a case that provides protection for your phone. It is made up of hard polycarbonate, which is resistant to scratches and impacts. The case also has a built-in screen protector that guards your screen from scratches and smudges while not getting in the way of touch sensitivity or responsiveness. This case is slim, yet very protective and durable. It also has a matte finish which provides grip so it doesn't slip out of your hands. Additionally, the Galaxy S22 Ultra Otterbox case comes in many different colors to match your personality or mood. The Galaxy S22 Ultra Otterbox case is a reliable and durable case. It provides protection to your phone from bumps, drops, and shocks. The case is designed to be slim and lightweight, so it doesn't add any bulk to your device. It's made of a single layer of high-quality polycarbonate that protects the back and sides of your phone from scratches, dents, and other unwanted damage. The raised bezel on the front edge of the case protects your screen when you place it face down on a flat surface. The Galaxy S22 Ultra Otterbox case also comes with a built-in screen protector that prevents scratches on your phone's touchscreen display without compromising sensitivity or responsiveness. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Otterbox Symmetry. The Symmetry series is the bold new line of defense for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Its sleek, stylish design lets you show off the iconic Samsung design you love, plus keep your phone safe from bumps and drops. Protect your Galaxy S22 Ultra with the slim and sleek Otterbox Symmetry series case. Slim and sleek, this case is made up of 2 protective layers that keep your device shielded from the daily wear and tear of life. You can even plug your charger, cable or wireless headphones without removing the case. Tested to survive 3x as many drops as military standard with lasting antimicrobial technology that helps protect case exterior against many common bacteria. It does not protect you or the screen. Number 4. Otterbox Commuter. The Commuter series for the Galaxy S22 from Otterbox helps protect your device from drops and falls. Its slim glossy design is durable and lightweight, so it doesn't weigh you down. Stay connected with your slim sleek Galaxy S22 and maintain protection from bumps and bruises with the Galaxy S22 Commuter series case. The slim and stylish Commuter series by Otterbox is designed to keep your phone safe from bumps, drops, and shocks. It has a sleek design and fun colors, so you can show off your style with confidence. The Commuter series makes using your phone quick and easy with its one-piece design. Dual layer, soft inner slipcover and hard outer shell absorb and deflect impact, while port covers block dirt, dust, and lint from getting into jacks, and ports and raised edges protect camera and screen. Number 3. Otterbox Symmetry Clear Series. The Otterbox Symmetry Clear Series case for Galaxy S22 Ultra, only not compatible with other S22 models, is a clear case made from a tough, durable plastic with a sleek design. The transparent back panel of the case is tough, so your phone can resist scratches and bumps. The case has built-in screen protector to help protect your screen from scratches. The raised beveled edge helps protect the touchscreen. It's time to get naked. That is, get the Otterbox Symmetry Clear Series case. Made to keep your Galaxy S22 Ultra looking and operating like new, it provides powerful protection against drops and scratches with its 2-layer membrane. Thin profile slips easily into tight pockets, the one-piece design pops on and off in a flash, and durable protection shields against drops, bumps and fumbles. Number 2. Otterbox Prefix. Protect your phone in style with the Otterbox Prefix series case. Made exclusively for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, this sleek and tough case is just the thing for showing off your love of pink. The slim design keeps bulk to a minimum while still protecting against drop and impact damage on the exterior of your phone. The raised bezel on the front protects against scratches and broken glass if you accidentally lay your phone face down. Otterbox is the original protector of your device, providing trusted protection from drops, dirt, and life on the go. The Otterbox Prefix series case for Galaxy S22 Ultra in Party Pink is designed with a sleek, compact profile to protect your device without adding bulk. Number 1. Otterbox Pink. The Symmetry series is an ultra-slim and stylish protective case. It meets military drop test standards and is the slimmest case on the market. The raised bezel protects your phone's screen from being scratched when laid face down. The dual-layer design prevents damage from drops, bumps, and everyday life. The one and only. The original. Now with a new design, Symmetry series has a sleek, stylish exterior with a one-piece construction to keep your phone protected from drops and spills. We also use multiple colors, graphics and textures in our designs to allow for more personalization and let you show off your style. And Otterbox certified drop protection means you never have to worry about damage from drops or bumps. With a slim, stylish and sleek design. Are you ready?